Now, I will show you some more examples how to multiply from 21 to 99, and we will go to next chapter then. See
32516 into 45. 3 into 4, 32 into 45, 25 into 45, 51 into 45, 16 into 45, 6 into 5. 3 into 4 equal to 12, write it as 12. 5 3 is 15, 4 2 is 8. 15 plus 8 equal to 23. Write it as 23. 5 2 is 10, 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Write it as 30. 5 5 is 25. 4 1 is 4. 25 plus 4, 29. 5 1 is 5, 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 6 into 5 equal to 30. Balancing. 0, 3 plus 9, 12, 2 here 1 outside, 2 plus 9 equal to 12, 2 here 1 outside, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 here.
take 3 to 9, add to 9, 3 plus 9 12, keep 2 here, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 again 12, take 1 here, 3, 3 plus 0 3. Now take this 3 and add to this, 3 plus 3 6, next 2 plus 2 4 1, and this is the answer. Like this we can do. I will do one more thing, see.
2 3 4 1 3 into 91. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 2 1 is 2. 34 into 91. 9 4 is 36 plus 3, 39. 9 plus 4, 13. Write it as 13.
Next 41 into 91, 9 plus 4 13. Next 13 into 99, 27 plus 1 28, and 3 into 3. See how fast you can do it. You can do still faster. I am telling slowly. If you are writing some competitive examination somewhere, 9 3 is 18, 23, 27 plus 2 29, 36 plus 3 39, 9 plus 4 13, 27 plus 1 28, 3. Then check 3, 8, 2 plus 3 6, 9 plus 1 10, 4 plus 9 13, 3 plus 8 11, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 3, 8, 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus 3 5. This is 2 3 8, and this 2 plus 3 5, and 1 plus 9 10, 1 carries, 4 plus 9 13, 1 carries, 3 plus 8 11, 1 carries 2. So, this is the answer. Like this you can happily do whatever may be the number of numbers while you are multiplying from 21 to 99, just like this you can do. If you practice it, it will be easier. Okay? Now, I will show you how to multiply any number of numbers with 3 digits. It is also easier, just the thing is you have to practice. I will show you how to multiply any number of numbers with 3 digits. Just you see.
2 1 3 2 4 into 3 1 2.
Here you have to multiply with 2 1 3, add all those things, but in speed maths you can do it mentally only in one line. For that you ought to do some practice. How to do? I will write the steps also, inevitable.
2
First,
into 3.
2 into 3.
21
okay?
into
Next,
31.
21
2,
into
1,
31.
3
These are all
into
cross multiplications
3, 1,
only.
2.
Next, 2 1 3 into 3 1 2. Because here we are having 3 digits, you have to go up to 3 digits. 2 into 3, right? 21 into 31. 2 1 3 into 3 1 2. Now only 3 1 2 is come. 2 1 3 into 3 1 2 over. Now 1 3 2 into 3 1 2. Next 3 2 4 into 3 2 1. 3 1 2. 3 2 4. Next 24. 24 into 12. Next 4 into 2. You write down. I am giving you ample time. You write down and observe. First 2 into 3. Right. Next 21 into 31. 2 2. Next 3. 2 1 3 into 312. This 312 will not change. Next 213 you remove 2. 132 into 312, remove 1. 324 into 312, remove 3. Only 2 digits are here, 24. You write 2 digits, these 2 digits, not these 2, these 2. 24 into 12. Next 4 into 2. And you can mentally you can do it. First problem I am showing you. This is 3 to 6. This is 5. Simply by seeing it, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 2, 2, 5, like that you have to do. Here all the 3 I told you, first edges, next middle. Because we are balancing, you have to write very speedily. See, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. By seeing this, see, this is 4, this is 9, 13 plus 1, 14. Here 2, 3 to 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. I have to tell slowly, but you have to do fast. See, 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 into 1, 3, 11, like that. But you have to see here how to do 3 to 6, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 18 plus 2, 20, like that you have to do. But I am explaining you slowly, you see. 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 2 into 1, 2, 20. And here nothing, 2 2 is 4, 4 1, 4 8, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1, 4 8, and 4 2 is 8 again. Like that here these things you should be able to calculate by seeing this, see, by seeing 2 1 3 and 3 1 2, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, 13 plus 1, 14. Here 3 2 6, 2 1 is 2, 3 2 6, 2 1 2, plus 3, 6, 2 8 plus 3, 3 1 3 that also you need not tell. See, 6 plus 12, 18 plus 2, 20. Here see, 9, 14, 9 plus 4, plus 4 also not necessary, 9, 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Like that you have to do. And if balancing is very simple, it will be very 8, 8, 0, 3, 5, 6, 6, okay, 8, 8, 0, like that. I will show you one more example and you try yourself in your house, any number of numbers. See, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4 into 4, 2, 3, okay. I will do it fast, but you write the steps in your house and do. First you see, I am explaining slowly, but I will write only the steps. 3 into 4, 12, okay. Next, mentally you can do, but anyhow I will show you. 3 to 5 into 4 to 3. Next 32 into 42. Anyhow I will write it, leave it. 3, 4, okay. Next 32, 42. Next 325, 423. Next 251, 423. Next 514, 423. Next 14, 23. Next 4 into 3. I am telling you again, 3 into 4, right? 32, 42. 251, 423. This will go off. 514, 423. This will go off. 1423, 43. Like that you have to practice it, then immediately you will get the answer. Now 4 3 is 12, okay. The cross multiplication, 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6, 14, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 6 14. Here 3 3 is 9, 5 4 is 20, 29, 29 plus 4 33. Slowly shall I tell you, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 5 20, 29, and 2 into 2 4, 29 plus 4 33. These things by practice you have to do it quickly. Now you see here 3 to 6, 4 into 1 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 10 20. See 3 into 2 6, okay, 4 into 1 4, 6 plus 4 10, and 5 into 2 10, 20. Like that first here also 5 3 is 15, 4 4 16, 16 15 31 33. That is, but I will tell you slowly, listen. 3 into 5 15. 4 into 4 16, 16 plus 15 31, 31 and 2 into 1 2, 31 plus 2 33, okay. 15, 16, 31 plus 2 33. Here is small thing, 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11, 3 1 is 3, 4 2 is 11 and last 12, okay. This is 3 4 8 plus 3 11, 4 3 is 12. I think I need not explain you again, it is very clear. 4 3 is 12, just by seeing 8 plus 6 14, like that you have to write. 20, 29 plus 4 33, 4 6 plus 4 10, plus 10, 20, like that. 15 plus 16, 31 plus 2, 33, 3 plus 8, 11, 4 plus 3, like that you have to practice. Then you balance. This is nothing. 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, 1. See, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, 1 plus 3, 3, 1. See, some people will say, sir, we are unable to understand. Okay, some problem will be there, I know. But you write down, see sincerely, leave one digit, add all the things to the first digit. Leave one digit, take everything and add to the next side, left side, first digit. Like that you practice. And these things now and then definitely they will be useful to you in one way or other, as I have already told you. Sir, we can multiply, you can multiply with 3, 2, 4, add all these things. But if you have sufficient, you are young people, writing competitive examinations, reading in 10th class, 9th class, 8th class. So these things, if you practice, these things will be damn easy, I am assuring you. But you have to practice every day, some 15-20 minutes you allot for speed maths. You practice. Once they will become your own, they won't go out. They will be with you permanently. Like this, you have to do for 2 digits and 3 digits. You practice. 100% I am telling you. Just I am giving you 1-2 examples. You write on the port card. If possible, you send me 23145 into 321. First problem. Second problem. 98456 into 125. These 2 problems you do. You do as we are doing in speed maths. Don't multiply all these things or do use, don't, like this. 1 into 9, 9, 98, 1 2, like that. This you have to imagine. 8, 18 plus 8, 26, like that you have to do. So you do these things if possible. If you do have any doubts, I am telling you, you just write it on the postcard and send it to me. And in the next episode, I will read your card. I will see whether your answers is right or wrong. And if you do have any doubts, 100% I do clarify. In that way, you can. I thought like that from today onwards. In that way, we can help you. You can develop your brains. You can develop everything. So you do it and try to send us. You just spare some half an hour, 20-30 minutes every day for speed maths. They will become your own. Thank you. Good luck.